So I did some really stupid shit today. Only one trade fit any sort of trade plan or rule that I have. And the one trade that fit was Tesla. So if you look at the one, it had dropped down, hit this low, came back up. And of course, my pivots aren't showing. That's extra annoying. Hold on. Fix that. Okay, so it looked like it was going to have an S4 breakdown. So, and I've done this a couple times on Tesla and it's never worked. So maybe I should just not trade these on Tesla. So it opened between S3 and S4. It was a shift down with the cams. It came up, tested S4, and then I took it short, and took it short right at the bottom and came right back up. So, and now it's up at R1. So that didn't work out. I don't have a rule that would have said, I guess the only thing that maybe was a hint that we weren't going to break down is this hammer candle here, both these hammer candles, and there wasn't a ton of selling volume in these red candles, but these white ones are small too, so maybe these hammers should have clued me in that we're not going to break down past that level. And it did kind of bounce off this moving average on the daily, but so that didn't work out. And then I had QS, which this is super frustrating, but so one, this was not my trade plan because it had shifted down, and you don't take R4 breakouts on stocks that shift down, or at least I'm not supposed to. But the volume here was like my A+ setup. So I took it long. It continued my way for a little bit, came back to R4, and it just chopped around, and it didn't really stop me out for a while until it came back to R3, and now it's just taken off. It broke R4 again, and it just ran. But so that's QS. I should not have taken this trade. Like, even though we opened up at R4, which is kind of what I was thinking, like, it didn't fit the rules. And I mean, if I keep finding examples where things run and the cams gap down, then I could change the rules. But until that happens, I need to just follow the rules I've got. Okay, and then I took CCL for an R4 break. So this is one I should not have taken again. So it had gapped up, so that was good. But it opened below R1, and that's one of my rules. I don't take R4 breakups on stocks that open below R1. But I took it, and it came back and stopped me out. So that was my last trade. After I got stopped out of everything, I realized how badly I traded those two trades that didn't follow my plan. So I think I just need to get back to physically writing down when things are like meeting my criteria so I don't forget about them. I think that's the way to discipline for me. All right, that's it. Thanks, bye.